What's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy JD, man. Today I'm about to be showing all y'all boxers out there, or some of y'all who want to just become boxers, how to hit the bag properly, man. Currently, right now, I'm in LA Fitness, right now in Naperville, in a little studio where all the bags and stuff are at, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm about to show y'all a little bag work, a little tips and tricks, how to hit the body of the bag, the jabs, your hooks, your body shots, all of that, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna learn that right on this channel today, man. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into it, man. Hold on, I gotta set y'all up real quick before we begin. Let me see. All right, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. There's the bag right here. The bag probably about 100 pounds. You know what I'm saying? Probably. Not a real heavy bag, but very slim for UFC too. You know what I'm saying? But in here we can't kick the bag, so I'm not gonna show y'all a little kick work, but I'm gonna show y'all basically just punching. So this is how you hit the body. You wanna make sure you're like turned to the side, and you wanna go like this. That's a body shot. The other hand, you can that's hitting the body, you know what I'm saying? Jab is a simple jab. Make sure to always keep your hands up when you're boxing. You wanna do a straight right jab. Make sure to all your force, power, but straight ahead. Quickness is left quick jab. You know what I'm saying? And make sure to always move around. Work on your footwork. Footwork is key. You can body shot. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you always move. You get what I'm saying? So make sure you're moving. Definitely gotta work on your footwork. Moving, moving. You know what I'm saying? Make sure to, I'm gonna show y'all something like this. And then you can practice when you actually fight somebody for real. You come up on them, y'all up on each other, you can boom. Boom. You're blocking yourself with this. I'm blocking, boom. Blocking, boom. Blocking, boom. You know what I'm saying? Here's a little good technique I like to work on too. Floyd does this as well in his videos. He goes like this. He practice. Just keep punching. This will build up your cardio, your stamina, so you'll last long in a fight. And then you can work on it by switching it up, doing some hooks too. Hook. Hook. Work on your hooks, your body shots, the jabs. And yeah, man, practice that every day. Incorporate some jumping rope too, work on your cardio. You know what I'm saying? Bag work is really good for working out your arms, building up your cardio, your stamina. And it's also really good to work on your combinations and everything. So hope you guys learned from this video. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe. Comment down below more videos y'all want me to see me doing. I got y'all. And let me know any videos y'all will want for me to do that will help y'all better. Without further ado, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.